Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here professional food menu front and back templates are clear in PSD file. That means you can customize in Adobe Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherry.com. Here 3 membership plan, one for 30 days and here 90 days lifetime says you have access all file when you purchase subscription. Okay, here you can customize and here a jpg file just for preview. Same thing here. These are pst for Photoshop. Want to player mockup, you can customize or put your own design. Big food, all files are fully editable. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah.